In this video, let me show you on how to remove or check connected apps on Facebook. Let's begin by opening the Facebook app on your device, then log into your account. Next, tap the menu button below, then tap the gear icon at the top to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you reach the U Activity section and tap Apps and Websites under it. Now in here, you see all the apps and websites you've connected to your Facebook account. Now, if you want to remove them, simply tap the app or website that you want. For example, let's tap this app right here. In this window, simply tap Remove button and tap Remove again to confirm your action. It will remove all your connections between Facebook and that app you've chosen. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.